Hello, learners, and happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. So today is National Frog Jumping Day. In our morning message, there's a little bit of information about frog jumping, and it says leapfrog or jump your hop way to the breakfast table this morning. So try that out this morning. Let's take a look at our day. All right, along with National Frog Day, it is Sport Your Sunglasses Day. Hopefully, it's going to be a nice day out tomorrow. Wear your sunglasses outside to protect your eyes. Shout outs to McKenna and Philip for bringing the flat mister around on adventures today. McKenna made breakfast, and Philip is playing the piano. All right. Oh, our reading slides are out of order. Our reading goal today is to compare and contrast one subtopic. So you are going to be watching the video from Mrs. W about compare and contrast and how you can do that in your text. And then you will also watch my video, which is a little bit more detailed on specifically the Native American tribes. You are going to compare and contrast your tribe. So for example, if I had the Chinook, I would compare it to the Powhatan. So I'm comparing my tribe to a different tribe of the three other options. You can choose which tribe you want to compare to. You're going to explore the other tribes' Padlets, learn about the differences and similarities from that tribe and yours, and you're going to create a Venn diagram. Either you can click on this link here and print it right from the link, or go to Google Classroom where there is an online version that you can use and you can type in and you don't need to print or share with me because it's right there. Also, like always, the links to any articles are here as well. Remember to keep working on your projects for your TP, your TRI project, your TP project. These are due on Friday. Math today, you are going to be doing day 2 of lesson 711 with Mrs. Traverson. You are going to need to print this worksheet. Also, it is on Google Classroom if you want to do it online. You will need that worksheet for Mrs. Traverson's video, and then you will complete the exit slip. One thing that I did notice yesterday in your exit slips, make sure if it says explain, you should have multiple sentences explaining how to do it, right? If it says explain how you would draw a picture, you have to explain in every detail of how you would do that. It's not just one word. And like always, to end our video is our early finishers activities. So some people finished at like 11 o'clock yesterday. Try jumping on and do one of these things. So other than that, have a great day. Keep working hard, stay awesome, and shine bright. Bye, boys and girls.